Safely using WD-40 for removing super glue.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, using WD-40 to remove super glue. It's a common household situation. You've accidentally glued your fingers together or glued an object to the wrong surface and need a quick and effective solution. WD-40 can be your savior, but it's important to handle it properly to ensure safety.
What is WD-40?
First things first, WD-40 is a popular product known for its multi-purpose application, primarily as a lubricant and water displacement solution. However, it is also known to be effective in removing stubborn substances like adhesives, including super glue. But as with any chemical-based product, handling it requires certain precautions.
What are the precautions when using WD-40?
Now, let's discuss the precautions one should take while using WD-40. Use in a well-ventilated area. WD-40 releases vapors that can be harmful if inhaled in large quantities. It's crucial to use this product in a well-ventilated area to ensure these vapors dissipate quickly. 2. Avoid contact with eyes and skin. The chemicals in WD-40 can irritate your skin and eyes. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to avoid direct contact. 3. Avoid flames and high heat. WD-40 is flammable. Always use it away from open flames, sparks, or heat sources to avoid any risk of ignition. 4. Proper disposal. Don't pour leftover WD-40 down the drain or into the environment. It should be disposed of properly, according to local regulations.
How to use WD-40 to remove super glue.
Having noted the precautions, let's see the steps on how to use WD-40 for removing super glue. 1. Spray a small amount of WD-40 on the super glue. This allows the WD-40 to break down the super glue. 2. Wait for a few minutes. Let the WD-40 do its magic for a few minutes. 3. Gently scrape off the glue. After waiting, you should be able to gently scrape off the super glue using a cloth or a plastic scraper. Remember, the key here is to be patient and not force the glue off, as it can damage the surface underneath or cause injury. And that wraps up our discussion on using WD-40 to remove super glue safely and effectively. It's a simple process, but remembering to take the right safety measures can make all the difference. We hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, safety always comes first.